Hello, this is Deanne from Small But Kinda Mighty, and I'm continuing my quest to help you discover awesome space-themed activities that can also be helpful for teaching kids about self-regulation. Today, I'm going to share with you how I make an easy nebula in a bottle. If you love the idea of activities and crafts for kids that encourage them to learn academic and life skills while having fun, then definitely take a look at these two videos and subscribe to my channel. And if you hit the bell, you'll be notified when I publish a new video every week. Mindy Douglas is a mother of 7 and a homeschooler. Her youngest daughter has Fragile X syndrome and is autistic. Mindy has reviewed my Regulate Your Universe playset, and you can read her full review in the blog post I linked to in the description box below. Mindy says, one of my very favourite activities in the resource PDF is the planetary sensory walk. Because my daughter has been a sensory seeker from a very young age, I love tying in sensory-related activities as much as possible. Below is a photo of us experimenting with the Jupiter Magic Milk activity. We ran out of milk and had to use cream, so we'll have to repeat it later to compare milk with cream. Another experiment. My daughter loved dipping the Q-tip and watching the colours. When we were done, she used the Q-tip and food colouring solution to paint pictures. Even more fun. The Planetary Sensory Walk is a free digital handout that can be downloaded from my website. All the links you need are in the description box below. Let's go through how to make a nebula in a bottle. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. Now don't panic about writing stuff down. Everything is listed in the blog post I've linked to below. You'll need a bottle, sufficient hair gel to fill the bottle, liquid watercolours, optional glitter, ziploc bags, some scissors, and I find these bamboo skewers really handy. Next, you'll need to decide on the bands of colours that you want in your nebula bottle. Red and blue are the most common colours in the universe, so I went with 5 colour combinations: red, red-purple, purple, blue-purple, and blue. You'll need a separate ziploc bag for each band of colour you want to use in your nebula bottle. In each bag, shake in a little glitter if you're using it, add the hair gel, and then I used the flat end of the bamboo skewer to add in a little bit of liquid watercolour. At that point, seal the bag and massage all the ingredients together to mix them up. My goal in creating this nebula in a bottle was to offer an alternative to the ones that use cotton wool. They look great but take ages to make, whereas this one is quick and easy. I also wanted to create a jar that could catch the light and encourage still, quiet, peaceful contemplation. Now, there are also the bottles that you can shake and mix and watch as they swoosh and swirl, kind of like a snow globe. Comment below if you'd like me to show you how to make one of those. Once your bags of colour gel are ready, then snip the bottom corner of each bag and squeeze the contents into the bottle in the colour layers that you decided back in step 2. Make sure you fill the bottle up and then close the lid. Please do take a look at my latest blog post that is linked in the description box below. Not only does it have a summary of everything you need to make your own nebula in a bottle, I've also indicated where I bought each of the materials I used and why I chose the ones I chose over other options that you often see people use when making these types of sensory bottles. As a nebula is the birthplace of stars, It pairs perfectly with my Steph the Star toy and a book called Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, I Know Exactly What You Are, which is written by an astrophysicist. Please remember to let me know in the comments if you want me to show you how to make a shakeable galaxy in a jar. And while you're there, remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and speak with you soon.